Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to hard reset OnePlus 8 smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, we need to switch off the phone. Then press power key and volume down key together. Power key and volume down key. Wait for a few seconds. Now the recovery menu is appearing here. So you need to choose on English. Now you can see the options. Format data, reboot device, power off. Now you need to click on format data. Now enter your verification code here. So 3162 is displayed here. So enter the same one. Now I click on format. The wiping is started now. Now click on OK. It automatically getting rebooted. So wait for a few minutes in order to complete the hard reset. Now the reset is completed successfully. You can see it's like a new phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.